Hello, and welcome to the latest social media marketing course from Loomly. In this course, we'll talk about YouTube and everything you need to know to grow your presence on the world's second largest search engine, including why your brand should care about YouTube, how to set up your channel, content ideas to get started, how to publish your videos with Loomly, how to promote your content, how to analyze your results. Let's dive right in. Let's start with why you should care about YouTube. Video is all the rage these days. It's popular on all the social channels, especially Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Even with the rise of TikTok and Instagram Reels, YouTube remains at the top of the list in terms of users and engagement. YouTube is the second most visited site on the internet. It has over 2 billion logged-in users per month, which is almost one-third of the internet. And YouTube reaches a greater US audience on mobile alone than any TV network. It's safe to say brands who ignore YouTube are missing out on an incredible opportunity to reach a massive and active audience. Before you start posting content, it's important to set up your channel with proper branding. First impressions are everything, so you have to make it count for users that visit your channel. You should brand your YouTube channel the same as your other social media so that it's immediately apparent who you are and what you do. Your colors, your icon, and your name speak for themselves. Just make sure these are consistent with your other social profiles. Your art. This is the background image in your header section. It's essential to choose something that works on different devices: desktop, tablet, mobile, and TV. Your description. Your channel description should describe your brand and content you share on the channel. Plus, search engines check your description when ranking your profile, so use relevant keywords. Your trailer. Your video trailer, like the channel description, should focus on telling visitors what your channel is about and what they can expect to see. Make it short and ask people to subscribe to your channel. Your custom URL. You can request a custom URL if your account is over 30 days old, you have more than 100 subscribers, and you've uploaded your channel icon and art. It makes sharing your YouTube URL much easier. Your links. The final elements to customize are the links to your website and other social channels, which visitors will see in the bottom right corner of your header. Once you have a well-optimized YouTube channel, it's time to produce your content. When deciding which content to share on YouTube, only one thing matters: your audience. What's important for them to know about your product or service? What can you teach them that will help them succeed? Clearly defining what will provide the most value to your audience will ensure your content is relevant and effective. There are all kinds of video formats you can choose from, and it's important to try new ones consistently to spice up your page. Here are just a few easy content ideas that any brand can use, starting with bite-sized product demos and tutorials. Visitors to your channel likely want to learn more about your product and service, so it's important to provide that up front. Keep them short, sweet, and easily digestible. Viewers rarely want to watch an entire 30-minute demo. To put it simply, teach what you know. Besides hearing from you, your audience wants to learn what real people think about your product or service. Tap your top customers or those that have left you a great review for video testimonials or interviews, so your audience can learn why your customers love your brand right from the source. Vlogs and behind-the-scenes videos are an impactful way to show authenticity and build trust with your audience. While it's important to share brand and product messaging, you'll build even more trust with your audience by introducing the people behind your brand. Share your experiences, challenges, and what you've learned, or behind-the-scenes clips of your team at an event, or even just a day in the life of an average workday. Listicles and reviews are endless sources of content for you to build out your YouTube channel. Your audience may not be searching for your specific product yet, but they could be searching for something related to it. Share your expertise on your favorite tools, services, tips, and best practices, or even review other relevant products your team uses. Finally, webinars or podcasts that you've hosted or participated in can be easily repurposed into engaging YouTube content. If you're already doing podcasts, start recording the video so you can share it on YouTube. Webinars and podcasts are also a great way to engage with other industry leaders to share their expertise with your audience and build trust in your brand. Now that you've got some great content ready, here's how to schedule and automatically publish it to YouTube from Loomly. First, you'll need to decide how frequently you're going to publish content. Come up with a realistic schedule for you and your team. Opinions on how frequently you should post vary, but two things reign true above all. Consistency is key and quality over quantity. Once you have filled up your editorial calendar with post ideas, you can start creating your content. Loomly allows you to create, preview, approve, schedule, and publish posts to YouTube. Additionally, you can add chapter markers to the video description so your audience can easily skip to points of interest. This creates what YouTube identifies as key moments in your video, which can lead to improved audience retention and better YouTube SEO rankings. Like Google, YouTube measures all sorts of aspects about your videos to determine how well they rank in searches, including audience retention, watch time, click-through rate, and interactions like comments, shares, and subscriptions. You can also manage your hashtag collections to save you time so you don't need to manually type the hashtags you use frequently every single time. Wrapping up. It's no secret, video is huge right now, and YouTube is still the most popular platform, providing a unique opportunity to reach highly engaged new audiences. Follow the tips above to help get your YouTube marketing off the ground. And remember, 1. Post consistently, but make sure you set realistic goals for your team. 2. Quality beats quantity every time. 3. And when in doubt about what content to post, teach what you know. Your expertise is valuable. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this Loomly course, and be sure to subscribe to Loomly's YouTube channel for more. Also, if you have ideas for our next course, leave them in the comments. Have a wonderful day.